Good morning, Mark Norred, Guaranty RV here. Today we're going to take a look at the Palazzo 36.1. It's a great RV, nice shorter diesel, lots of storage. Really enjoy this coach. Open floor plan. Come on inside over here, take a look. Outside, one of the great things here is a lot of storage. This is pretty cool. Very few RVs have this kind of storage in the diesel RV where it opens up, where you can actually stack stuff, totes, what have you. You got a tray that moves as well, which is fantastic. You can put your chairs, different things on that tray, but you guys still have room for a barbecue and different things. Inside, we've got a great floor plan. Come on inside. One of the rare things that they have here in this diesel, and which is real nice with the Palazzos, is they actually put in the drop-down beds, which are real nice. This is a very large guest bedroom. Of course, we've also got a nice cockpit in there. We've got the side cameras, the backup cameras, oversized TVs, nicely placed, nice sofa, and of course a lot of folks do like the booth. Thor does a real good job with the booths as far as size, the cabinetry, and of course making it as residential as possible. Nice big fridge. And if you're looking for a shorter coach, this one's a real nice one. The fact that we got washer, dryer, nice little feature there that also can be removed and add storage. You get great pantries with wood cabinets in here. It just makes it very residential for you as you're on the road. Nice thing in this too is a 36-footer. We're looking at a bath and a half unit. Nice comfortable master area, folks. Nice oversized shower and cabinetry here in the master bedroom. TV, just an all-around nice little coach, especially if you like state parks, national parks, that kind of thing. Folks, today I want to thank you for your time. We're in a Palazzo 36.1 at Guaranty RV. Give me a call, Mark Norred. Just give me a call or an email, see if we can help you with an RV. Thank you.